Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Django Joker, and today I'm back with my how you can install Linux Mint tutorial. So, first, before we start, I want to say that I'm very happy for 40 subscribers on my channel. So, I'm happy about that. I know that it isn't a lot, but we are sure. I'm sure that we are slowly growing this channel up. So also for other that didn't subscribe to me, please subscribe for more videos. And so first I want to say that I have switched from Ubuntu to Linux Mint 17.3, and in this video I will show you how you can install 17.2 Linux Mint and also how you can easily upgrade to 17.3. So let's get started. I am doing this in VirtualBox. As you can see, as I did in my previous videos. So let's go full screen. Here you need to press enter, then start Linux Mint. But I recommend that first you go and do a memory test, and if you don't get any errors for 5 minutes, then you are good to go and install Linux Mint. You can install Linux Mint only operating system on your PC or alongside Windows or Macintosh or other Linux distros. So now we are waiting for it to boot. So when you get to the live desktop, I will recommend for you, like I recommended in my previous video, to play with so when you get here I recommend to play with your PC. So uh, go to the internet, test it if it's working, and then when you are ready to install, just click on install Linux Mint. And when you get here, you just hit continue. So I'm good to go, then click continue again. I will do erase disk and install Linux Mint. I recommend to you also to do this, then click also continue. It will ask you if you are sure to do a format on your drives. So this is my time zone. Continue. Macedonian because I live in Macedonia. So click continue. Tomorrow, let me just put this in and I will tell you what I wanted. Django Joker, like this. For this video I will go login automatically, but I will say that you need to require my password and login to be checked. So what I wanted to say is tomorrow I'm going to Croatia and there will be videos from Croatia, but I'm sorry that this video didn't came on Sunday as I promised, but today is Monday and it will be out today. And also for tomorrow I'm planning to do a Ubuntu Mate desktop review, so I will review that also on my virtual machine, so stay tuned for that video. On Wednesday I don't know if there will be any video, but I think there will be video, but I don't know. It depends on when I get to Croatia. So if it's late night, there won't be any video. But if I can make some videos, then I will definitely do it, because all you know that on Friday it's Christmas. So I don't know if for Christmas or for Christmas Eve, the day before Christmas, I don't know if there will be new videos out on my channel. If there won't be any videos, but I will planning to do some videos for then. If not, want to say from now Merry Christmas for everyone who will celebrate Christmas on Friday. So Merry Christmas and have a fun on that day because it's a day that you will spend with your family and there is a lot of love and also for getting some things that you someone else done to you and it's time for peace and also I'm planning to do a Christmas video but I don't know if that will become a if I will do that video I don't know from now but I'm planning to do some videos for Christmas. So if there will be a video, stay tuned for that. But I cannot promise for sure from now. So now let's wait for this to install. Also, I'm happy that you are helping me to get to 100 subscribers. Now I got 40, but subscribe to me so we can grow this channel because as I said in my previous video, everything I do it for you guys, and this channel it's not only mine, it's yours too. So also you can get involved in making these videos by commenting down in the comment section what you want me to make and to be next video so I can know that and do that videos or also you can suggest me some operating systems to review. I cannot do Macintosh review because I don't own any Macintosh computer, but for Windows I can do a review what distro you want me to do a review of for Linux and I will definitely do it so you can also evolve in this project called YouTube channel for me and we can together make better videos and so on so on. So also you can leave down in the comment section where are you going to celebrate Christmas. I'm going to celebrate it in Croatia as I said and with who you are going to celebrate. I know it's usually with family but also leave down in comment section if you are not going to celebrate with your family, maybe your friends, I don't know. So as you can see for this video it's better quality because in my previous video in my how you can install Ubuntu the installing process was in the small box but for today it's on the whole screen and it's better for you to see the installation process. Also there won't be cut in this video because as I said in my previous video I want to show you the whole installation process, so because of that there won't be any skips or cut on this video. I will recommend for everyone that want to switch in Linux to go and check this and download and install Linux Mint because it's a great operating system. And for also I will recommend for guys that are using Linux distro, some other distros, and are thinking of changing the distro to go for Linux Mint because it's a great operating system. And now that 17.3 came out, it's more stable and there is some new stuff that is in Linux Mint 17.3. Go and check that. I got a review on Linux Mint 17.3. Go and check it out. I will put down in the description the link for that video, and also the link for the previous video. There will for how you can install Ubuntu 15.10. It will be in annotation of this video. In the end of the video there will be annotation for the link for how you can install Ubuntu, and for the Linux Mint review it will be down in the comment section, so go and check them out. And as you can see, when you are installing there will be a pictures of what's new. So for guys that want to use some programs that are for Windows, you can go and download Wine, and for with Wine you can easily open that program and install on your Linux, and it will be slower than on Windows running that program, but you can run and do some stuff and things on Linux also with Windows programs with Wine. Also, by upgrading to your from 17.2 to 17.3, it's so easily. I will show you how you can easily upgrade so you can have a latest version. So 17.3, I think it's the last version of Linux Mint 17 releases, because I think to in 2016 there will be a long-term support release of Ubuntu, and I think Linux Mint will go to 18 release based on that support, on long-term support of Ubuntu. The 17 release, it's based on Ubuntu 14.4 release. So when you get in this section you can continue testing your desktop in live bootable CD. I will click restart now. I don't know if you can hear now when my disk will got ejected from the PC, because as I said I'm using live my CD to install it on my virtual machine. It will take some time to eject the CD. I don't know why, but also when I installed Linux Mint 17.2 on my PC, also it took some time to eject the CD. I think that we have got the same problem that we had in the previous video, so it won't restart. I need to restart it manually, so I will close this and open it again so we can continue with this tutorial. I have ejected the CD out, so let's start Linux Mint. Cancel this, full screen. As you can see, my Linux Mint is booting out. Let's wait for it to boot out. Also, first thing you need to do when you install Linux Mint, as I said in Ubuntu, when you install any Linux distro, it's to install updates. And if you don't install updates on Linux Mint 17.3, you cannot upgrade to 17.3. So as you can see down at the bottom, it's checking for updates. Let's open that out. So I need to install updates. I will install it now so I can show you how you can type in password, how you can upgrade to 17.3. Also, if you want to add some additional drivers, you go to system settings in the menu bar, then you go to this driver manager, and you can from there apply additional drivers, but I won't do it now because I don't need additional drivers in my virtual box. I will just install updates and upgrade to 17.3 so I can show you how you can do that. But as I said, first, as you can see, it's a little bit faster than when I installed Ubuntu. There were some lags when you install Ubuntu. Put in the password. Let's wait for it to download and install these updates. Also, for news about my upcoming videos, you can follow me on Twitter. I will accept every follower that wants to follow me, and also you can like my page on my Facebook. The link from Twitter and Facebook will be down also in the description. And for installing these updates will take some time, as you can see, it's not lagging that much when I'm installing this. I thought that installing Ubuntu it's lagging because VirtualBox, but it was lagging because Ubuntu Unity Desktop is taking too much resource of your computer, and Linux Mint it's a lighter operating system than Ubuntu, so it won't take that much resources, and because of that it's much faster when you are in your VirtualBox running Linux or Windows. I think when we are done installing these updates that are now downloading, that there won't be any new updates, so we can go and upgrade the version from 17.2 to 17.3. As you saw, also I changed my outro on my videos, so I changed it because I think that I changed also the way my channel is moving. So it was only a gameplay and vlog channel, but now there will be gameplay videos, but now it's a gameplay channel, vlogging channel, I mean gaming channel, sorry, not gameplay, vlogging channel, tech channel, so I will do also tutorials, walkthroughs, and stuff like that. So when I say tech channel, I mean operating systems channel. So I will do a review of operating systems on this channel. So because of that, I thought that there was a need of changing my outro, because the previous outro, I think that it wasn't that good, because it wasn't that professional. But for this new outro, I try my best to look more beautiful and more professional than previous outro. So for this outro, as you can see, as you saw in my previous videos, there isn't a moving video. It's just picture from my Minecraft gameplay video, and I'm updating links that you can click for previous video. Also, I created thumbnail new thumbnails for my Linux distribution review, as you can see on my channel. And I hope that you like the new outro. Also for the intro, I won't changing it because I think it's a good intro. Maybe in the future there will be a new intro, but I cannot say it for sure. Also, if you are starting or having a YouTube channel, I will recommend for you, if you are looking for partners on YouTube, to be partnered on your channel. I will recommend for sure, 100% I'm sure, to go for a full screen network, because I am on a full screen network, and it's awesome network. It will help you a lot to grow. Uh, it's got some tools for to help you about your videos, making your videos. So in about section on my channel there is full screen link, so you can apply for partnership with them. uh, so for, I don't know what are the requirements for them to accept you, but I know for definitely that any network that you want to go, uh, as also in full screen network, they won't accept you if you have a copyright claim on some of your videos. So you need to own the rights of that video, so you don't have any copyright claims, and you're good to go. So go and apply for that. And also, I know that I'm not the one to talk about partnership and growing the channel, because I have 40 subscribers, but I'm moving to growing this channel. So with your help, I can grow this channel. I know also that this video will be long video, but I don't think that it will be that long as Ubuntu video, how you can install Ubuntu. Let's wait for these updates to finish installing. It will be down in a couple of seconds, as you can see, and we are good to go and upgrade this system. Also, as I said, I'm planning to do a review on Ubuntu Mate desktop. It will come out tomorrow, that review, and also a Linux Mint Mate desktop. and then I will switch to other distros. uh, I will do a review of them, how you can install, to show you how you can install them. So we are good to go. When you get this, your system is up to date. You need to go to edit bar and click on upgrade to Linux Mint 17.3 Rosa. So click continue, again continue, continue, click I understand the risk, click on it, and click apply. It will ask you for your password. Enter your password and click enter. So now the Linux Mint 17.3, it will be download and then install on your PC or laptop. I don't know what are you going to use. I know that some people are not interested in Linux, and they say that they don't like Linux like operating system, but this channel is for that guys to see that Linux is a good operating system, is stable, and they can give a try of that operating system, and they won't lose anything if they try Linux operating system, because I was a big Windows user, and I stopped using Windows. So in my house there isn't Windows operating system anymore on PC or laptop. It's just Linux, and on both my PCs I have got Linux Mint, and also on my mom's laptop I have Linux Mint. She asked me to install it on her laptop. She was using Windows 10 and she wasn't satisfied with Windows 10. There were some problems. Also, the PC, the laptop was slow because Windows 10. And when I installed it, Linux Mint 17.3 on that laptop, now it's fast as you bought it now from the store. And my mom is very satisfied with Linux Mint and doesn't want to change it to other operating system. So when my mom that also it's she started using PC and laptop with Windows on it, when she can change it from and switch from Windows to Linux Mint, can you also can you guys? So go and if you want to switch from Linux Mint, you can easily do it from Windows to Linux Mint. Sorry about that. And I don't know what to talk about also. So I'm not saying you need to stop using Windows or you don't have to use Windows. I'm saying that if you are thinking of changing from Windows or Macintosh to other operating system, you can go to Linux and enjoy using Linux as I using. So the maker of Linux, it's Linus Torvald. Um, he is from Finland, I think. Don't get me on that. I'm not sure about that. And he created Linux kernel 0.01 and then 0.02 and then kernel 1 and kernel 2, and it's based on Unix. That is the first operating system ever made. And then also Macintosh is based on Unix, and Windows is based on Macintosh, as I know from my um, IT uh, computer lessons in school. So Linux Torvald, I think it's using Fedora distro, but I'm not sure about that. Maybe Arch or Fedora, I don't know about that. He was an owner of Linux company, but now he is in retirement because he has got a lot of money, and the guys that has a lot of money can afford to go and on retire. So Linux, like company, it's not like Microsoft or Apple, so they are not doing an operating system. There are other companies, or maybe some group of people are doing a distro based on Linux. So as I said, for Ubuntu, for example, it's Chronicle from South Africa, company from South Africa that are doing that. Also, there is Red Hat company that are doing distro. Also, for Linux Mint, it's community that are making Linux Mint. So, as I said, for Linux, it's not Linux company that are making distros. It's other companies that are making distros. So, as you can see, the installing of Linux Mint 17.3 has just started. Let's wait it for it to finish, and we need to restart the computer, and that will be it for this video. Also, if you want to see what is going on, you can go and click on detail, and it will show you what is doing at the moment, but I don't prefer that. Also, why I didn't upload this video as I promised on Sunday, I didn't upload it because the KDN Live, the software that I'm using for my videos to be edited, it wasn't working properly on Linux Mint 17.3, but I reinstalled it and now it's working fine. So as you can see, we are done installing Linux Mint 17.3 on this PC, and you will see that when we reboot, there won't be 17.2 on this wallpaper. It will say 17.3, so we can close this and go and reboot this PC or virtual box, I would say, because I'm running this on virtual box. So click here, restart, and let's wait for it to restart. As you can see, it's taking, restart is so quick. So there is Linux Mint logo. And also, guys, if you have some problems with using Linux distro like Ubuntu or Linux Mint, You can leave down in the comment section what is your problem, and I will try my best to help you solve that problem. So as you can see, we are now running Linux Mint 17.3. And that's it for this video, how you can install a Linux Mint 17.2 and also upgrade to 17.3. And if you like this video, hit like button and also subscribe. And leave down in the comment section what you think about these videos and what to do in other videos. And that's it for this video, so I will see you in my next video. So until the next time, take care.